want you to meet the 2500 HD Chevy Silverado here, pickup truck. It's equipped with a snow prep package. This particular vehicle, the heavy-duty truck for Chevy, obviously with the snow prep package here, the upfitability is much easier than nearly all the trucks that are in the segment. And so we think snow prep packages and add-ons like that are going to be so much easier to do with this great new truck. We listened very, very carefully to our fleet customers. One of the things that they asked for, they loved our step up, our corner step on all of our trucks. What we have now done is installed a second step up so that if a fleet driver or owner wants to get something in the back of the bed, they're much more easy to do it versus trying to step up here. They can now step up here, and it's so much easier for them to get something, out of the truck and out of the bed. There's more space, more room in this bed than in any that we've ever designed before. Very, very durable. I don't think anyone has more tie-ins. We have 12, and you can get another 9 available, up to 21, tie hooks here. I mean, I don't think anybody can touch it. In addition, we have a first-in-class in the heavy-duty segment. We have a power up and down tailgate, which is really, really easy to operate and works phenomenally well. As you can see here, again, and there's your, you can see the lights on, and the light on here, the light inside the bed. So for someone who's doing a lot of work at night, early morning hours, for them to have that extra light available. Again, just a thoughtful feature. It's built in. There's also a 120 volt outlet that's built in into the bed of the truck as well. But the new HD Silverado comes with a 35,500 pound option here to tow. So it's incredibly important. The power of this truck, the durability of this truck to be able to again, have that towing capability of 35.5 pounds is huge. The Chevy Silverado HD is going to have a tremendous appeal to fleet buyers and drivers who are out there.
Some of the features I wanted to point out on the interior. First, the base condition. Every vehicle comes with a standard screen. So a 7-inch screen is the standard condition, and you can upgrade to an 8 or a 10-inch screen. A couple of the buttons and features, power up, power down tailgate. From the inside, you can raise and lower the tailgate here. You have your hazards, traction control, easily accessible. And the integrated trailer brake controller is right there at your fingertips, away from the driver controls, but yet easy to access on the vehicle. You can notice the connectivity of the vehicle. Obviously, you have the overhead lamps, but OnStar is standard on LT and above and available on work truck, and that allows for maximum connectivity of the vehicle. We offer a commercial link option that allows drivers and fleets to connect their vehicles. And one of the things that is really important in heavy duties is not only the power of the vehicles and the max trailering capability, but it goes beyond the numbers. It goes into the comfort and the ease of trailering. And one of the features that we have is, through the connectivity, is a Chevy app, My Trailer app, that allows you to check all the trailer features. You can check lights, you can check turn signals, hazards, brake lights on the vehicle, brake lights on the trailer, all with one person. Using your app, you can trigger all those and check all those applications, and you can set up the profile for multiple drivers or multiple trailers. So making sure that your loading's correct and that the tongue weight of the trailer isn't exceeding the vehicle, all that is customizable through this smart trailering app that's standard and available for every user on the new Silverado HD. And OnStar connectivity with Commercial Link is another enabler to stay connected. So you don't have to buy extra hardware for the vehicle. You can actually, the hardware's embedded. You have the telematics here. You can use our Chevy Commercial Link, or you can buy third-party access that downloads reports if you have a mixed fleet. We have an all-new 6.6-liter gas engine that has best-in-class horsepower and torque. So the horsepower is 401 horses and 464 foot-pounds of torque, making it best-in-class with the all-new gas 6.6-liter engine. And now it's mated to a segment-exclusive 10-speed Allison transmission. So if you look at the Duramax and look at the power that it provides, it enables us to get up to 35,500 pounds of trailering capability. And one of the interesting parts of the Allison transmission is we will now be the only factory option with power takeoff, not power takeoff capability, but power takeoff hardware installed with the transmission as an option. So no longer will you have to take the vehicle to get upfit for power takeoff. It's a factory option exclusive to the Chevy Silverado. The other thing, you talk about overall size of the cab, and I'm 6'2", and this seat is in the mid position, and leg room wise, I have plenty of room, almost 8 inches of extra room with the knee room here. So we've increased the cab by over 3 inches, and all of that went to the rear seat to make the rear seat occupant comfort level world class. So we think we have best in class seating, best in class headroom as well.